Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to draw the BMW X7. First, lightly sketch the basic outline of the car. Focus on getting the overall length, height, and width correct. This initial step is crucial for establishing the vehicle's foundational proportions before adding details. Think of it as building the car's skeleton. Next, let's focus on the iconic front features. Carefully draw the large, prominent kidney grille, ensuring its correct size and placement. Then, add the sleek, narrow headlights that flank the grille. Pay attention to their angles and how they integrate with the car's front fascia. These elements define the X7's face. Now, move to the side profile. Define the window shapes and the subtle character lines along the doors. Next, draw the substantial wheel arches, which house the large wheels. Take your time to detail the wheels, including the spokes and tires, to give them a realistic appearance. This adds depth to your drawing. Finally, let's complete the rear of the X7. Sketch the slim, horizontal taillights and the shape of the tailgate. Include the rear bumper and any visible exhaust outlets. Once all major components are in place, go back and refine your lines, adding shading and highlights to give your BMW X7 drawing a polished, three-dimensional look.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.